Hey British Columbia, Sheldon, Truck Hunter BC, working out of Barnes Wheaton GM in sunny White Rock. Happy Canada Day, long weekend, it's Saturday. I'm here with the 2021 GMC Sierra 3500 HD, Duramax diesel, 6.6 liter, 445 horsepower, 910 pounds of torque, Allison transmission. Can count on it year after year for your pulling, towing needs. Got the upgraded Bose stereo, it's got sunroof, the leather interior stamped with Denali, of course, heated cooled seats, the full tech package including your heads-up display, your 360 camera, heated cooled seats down here as you can see right there, your full complement driver safety package, so lane assist, collision alert, low speed, autonomous braking. Your front and rear park assist has got it all, and it's got the rear power slider, so if you got a dog in the back you can get a little air, and the kids too. Lots of room in the back, heated rear seats, connectivity for phones in the back as well. Beautiful truck, lots of factory warranty left, and yes, $99,995 plus fees and taxes. You want to get a new one, you'll be waiting into the new year for it. This one's here right now. We take trades, financing on site. In business to do business, we can deliver anywhere in BC. Call me BC, 604-362-2922.